Hello everyone, this is Sadat. In this video, we will learn how to calculate the center of gravity of a T-section step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding the shape. This T-section is made of two rectangles. Top flange 40 centimeters wide and 10 centimeters high, and web 10 centimeters wide and also 30 centimeters height. Now we can go step 2. Step 2. Specify the x and y axes. Now we can draw the x and y axis for easy calculation. So let me do that. Yeah, we can draw the x and y axes like this. Yeah, like this. This is x axis and this is y axis. This is just for easy calculation. We assume the origin of this section, this point, 0.0. Step 3. Divide into simple shapes. Now we can break the section into two rectangles. So I divide it into two parts. So let me paste here. Now we can go to step 4. In this step, we'll find the area of each part. So let me do that. A1, the area of web, and A2 is the area of top flange. A1 equal 10 times 30 equal 300 square centimeters. A2 equal 40 times 10 equal 400 square centimeters. Now, and also we can calculate the total area of this T section. Let me do that. A1 plus A2 equal 300 plus 400 equal 700 square centimeters. This is the general area of this section. Now we can continue from step 5. Step 5. In this step, we can determine the center of the edge part for web. For web, x1 equal 40 divided by 2 equal 20 centimeters. This is half of the web wide from the origin. Yeah, from origin here 0.0. This is the x point. X1 distance, x1, and y1 equal 30 divided by 2 equal 15 centimeters. So this is half of the web height from the origin. Yeah, here. Now we can determine the center of the web. Yeah, can continue like this. Now we can determine the center of the web. Yeah, this point is x1, y1, the centroid of the web. Yeah. Now we can continue from top flange. For top flange, x2 equal, and also 40 divided by 2 equal 20 centimeters. And also this distance half of the top flange wide from the earth equal to x1. x1 to x2 And also y2 equal 30 plus 10 divided by 2 equal 35 centimeters. So this is 30 centimeters height of the whip, and also the half of the height of the top flange. Now here, and also we can determine the centroid of the top flange. Yeah, so x1 equal to x2. Yeah, it was y2. This is y1. Yeah, this is it was y1. This point, this point is x2 y2. So it's the centroid of top flange. Now we can go to step 6. Apply the center of gravity formula. Now we can calculate this x bar and y bar. So let me write the x bar formula. X bar equal a1 times x1 plus a2 times x2 divided by a1 plus a2. Now we can write a1 was 300. Yeah, this is a1. 300 times x1. x1 was 20 centimeters plus a2 was 400 centimeters. 400 400 times it, and also x2 is 20 centimeters divided by a1 plus a2. a1 plus a2 was 700 centimeters. If we calculate here, we can find x bar 20 centimeters. Now we can continue writing from y bar formula. Yeah, this y bar equals y bar a1 times y1 plus a2 times y2 divided by a1 plus a2. Now we can write a1 was 300 times y1 was y1. This is y1, 15 centimeters. 15 centimeters plus a1 was 400 times y2, it was 35 centimeters divided by a1 plus a2 was 700. 700. If we calculate here, we can find y bar 26.33 centimeters. Finally, we found the volume of the center of gravity of T section. Yeah, gx bar y bar. So it's equal to 20 centimeters x bar and y bar 26.43 centimeters. Now we can determine the center of gravity of the T section, and also it's the center of this T section. Now we can determine, this is our origin. This is x1, x2. It's x equal to x bar and y bar like here. This is y bar. Y bar. This is x bar. This point x bar and y bar. This is the center of gravity of this T section, and also this is the centroid of this T section. So thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share the video and subscribe to channel.